Beveri, catammari, catammari. To drink, to sip. Of course, wine. Slowly, slowly. Where am I? We couldn't be anywhere else but Sicily. From the island, you're just gonna go right in the middle in the Caltanissetta province. We are in Riesi, not too far away from the sea. Passo Delle Mule. This is a Nero Davola, 100%, the grape variety that made Sicily known all over the world. And we are in Tenuta Suor Marchesa of the Duca di Salaparuta winery. Slowly, slowly, I mean, this sound, catammari, of the Sicilian lingo makes everyone going into a holiday and in a cultural mode. So what expectations should you get when you crack open a bottle of this wine? The nose immediately is gonna take you straight there, because there is a lot of balsamic action, a little bit of menthol, packed with red currants, blueberries, and cherries. But there is also like a dark chocolate aromas to the wine. Actually, on the palate, the wine is way more reactive and light to medium bodied, almost like more like of a Pinot, think about in terms of body. The nose is very extractive, very ripe nose, but then on the palate the wine goes towards something that is more of a dynamic dialogue between these Mediterranean spices, lots of red fruit, more red fruit on the palate, with a dash of orange peel in the end. What would I match this wine with? Some simple pasta dish with tomato sauce, maybe some fish with red sauce, or light meat. Even a little bit of a barbecue, perché no? For more tips, tricks and love, follow our social media, subscribe to our channel, and drink some good wine.